Today we're reviewing the Vantrue N5S 4-channel dash cam, a powerful system that delivers 360-degree coverage with 4 cameras, STARVIS 2-night vision, and smart parking protection. 4-channel 360 degrees recording. The Vantrue N5S uses 4 cameras to capture front, rear, and interior views, giving you almost complete 360-degree coverage around your vehicle. High-resolution multi-camera recording. The system records 2.7K video from the front camera, 1440p inside the cabin, and 1080p for additional views, providing clear footage from every angle. Sony STARVIS 2-night vision. With Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, the N5S captures clear and detailed footage even at night, improving visibility in low-light conditions. 24/7 buffered parking mode. The buffered parking mode records before and after motion or impact events, ensuring you capture incidents even when your car is parked. Wi-Fi, voice control, and dual GPS. The dash cam includes Wi-Fi connectivity, voice control for hands-free commands, and dual GPS tracking for accurate route, speed, and location recording. Full 4-channel coverage for maximum vehicle security. Excellent night recording with STARVIS 2 sensors. Supports up to 1 terabyte storage for long recording sessions. Installation may take more time due to multiple cameras. Parking mode requires hardwire kit for continuous monitoring. The Vantrue N5S 4-channel dashcam is one of the most complete dashcam systems available. With 360-degree recording, advanced night vision, and smart connectivity features, it's a fantastic option for drivers who want total protection on the road and while parked. If you want full 360-degree protection for your vehicle, check out the Vantrue N5S dashcam using the link in the description. You can see the latest price and customer reviews right now.